How to send the estimated time arrival or the ETA, how you can simply check ETA if you're simply going to any place, if you're going on a trip, if you're going to any place you want, then how you can simply get the estimated time of arrival at that place. So on the Google Map application here. Now for this you have to simply open the Google Map right on your device, just like this. Open the Google Map, make sure that you have updated it. Now this is my location, as all of you can see in the Delhi. This will be my location. So what I will do is simply click on the search bar, and choose this destination here. Simply type, like suppose this is the location, I will type it and it will show you the main route of the direction. As you can see, this is 43 kilometers away. 1 hour and 30 minutes is my wait time, that is time duration that I will take to reach there. Now as you can see, whenever you will click on start the trip, then it will show you the estimated time arrival that you can share with any of your friend you want. Now this is my estimated time of arrival. As you can see here, that is 16:49. Click on share ride progress. You can share it to the WhatsApp or any account you want to your friends. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.